Hey guys, it's Rochelle.
Hi, I'm Azra.
And we're here from Luxy HQ, coming to you with a really fun video today. What are we doing, Azra?
So today we're going to show you guys our favorite hair accessories, and we're going to be showing you all sorts of cool stuff to do with them, how to style them on short hair like mine or beautiful long hair like Rochelle's.
Now, I have a secret to share with you guys. This is not the hair that I've been naturally blessed with. Yeah, I'm actually wearing a full set of ombre chestnut Luxy hair extensions, and the set that I'm wearing is from our new seamless collection, and all of the sets in that collection come in 180 grams. So this is all the hair that you get. It's giving me beautiful long locks.
Beautiful, I love it.
Okay, let's jump in. Okay, so for our first hair accessory, we have something super fun. You've all heard of Kristins. She's a super famous celebrity hairstylist, and she actually has her own line of hair accessories.
So this is the Kristins French Pin. It's this beautiful rose gold pin, and it's so simple but so elegant, and you can style it in so many ways.
The first step for this one is really simple. You're gonna do a top knot. So keeping in mind that I have my Luxys, I don't want these clips to show through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a comb like this that has a nice pointy end like that, so I can easily section off my hair to make that top knot. So you can see the clip here, so I'm just gonna try to go a little bit higher. Once I have the ponytail, I'm gonna twist it like so, and then just kind of twist it around itself to make a little top knot. And then once it's good, I have a small clear elastic, just a little guy like that, and section off with this. Now, of course, the pièce de la résistance for this look is our rose gold Kristins clip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and kind of just weave it in and out of the bun to add a little accent to it. And then voila. It reminds me of, you know, when you were a kid and you would put your hair in a bun and then put a pencil through it?
Yeah.
It's like a really cool elevated version of that.
Love it.
Awesome.
Okay, so this one is for all you short hair girls out there. This is a beautiful little clip. It has a little mother of pearl arrowhead on it. So
gives me major festival vibes.
I know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is a French fishtail braid just at the back here. The thinner the sections that you take, the more defined the fishtail will be. Ladies, if you need extra instructions on how to create a French fishtail braid, we have a tutorial on our YouTube, which we will link below. Okay, so now that I have my French fishtail braid, I'm gonna take this beautiful little clip, and what we're gonna do is just push it up and in, and it's gonna just lay really beautifully across the braid. So our next hair accessory is gonna be one of our favorite trends, and this is actually running along the festival train here, and they are hair rings.
I'm gonna start by doing actually a regular braid at the top, and then at the bottom I'm gonna turn into a fishtail to just kind of give that hybrid effect of both the braids. I'm gonna start by doing a nice chunky 3-strand braid at the top, and then we will go into some fishtails.
Guys, even if your hair is super long, you can use Luxys for thickness as well.
Yes.
It has just for length.
My hair is pretty long already, but just adding those Luxys in takes it to like the next level. So at this point, I'm gonna turn my 3 strands into 2 strands so I can do some fishtail braiding action. Okay, so as you can see, I did a really big, thick 3-strand braid at the top, did the fishtail at the end, and now I want to leave a little bit of hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a small elastic. Now, the beauty of fishtail braids is that you can pancake it out to make it look nice and messy and full, just to complete the look. Now, these little hair rings we just got off of Amazon, right?
Yeah.
So super inexpensive, super easy to use, and you just kind of open it up with your fingers. So I'm gonna start and just clip it in at the top, and it just adds that little flair that takes your braid from being just hair to kind of a full-on festival look.
So cute.
I'm really into it. Bam, I think that's it for me.
So cute.
Super bohemian, super fun. I would totally rock this to a festival.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use hair rings on shorter hair. So what you're going to do is just start twisting towards the back, like so. Just twist your hair, and as you're twisting, just add a little bit more hair every time, like this, and just keep twisting tightly
Super easy hack if you don't know how to French braid.
Yeah, this is like
Similar effect.
So easy and so quick. So as soon as you reach the crown of your head, just over here, you're just gonna tie the little twist off. This is actually really cute as is, but I'm gonna make it even cuter by adding some herrings. So I'm just gonna be popping them in.
The gold color really pops out against your darker hair. I'm into it.
Yeah, and these actually come in silver as well. So if you have lighter hair, you can use silver. And that's it. Look how easy, so fun. Okay, Ro, what's our fourth accessory today?
Okay, bear with us guys. It sounds kind of boring, but I promise you we're gonna show you a really cool and creative way to use bobby pins.
Bobby pins?
Yeah. Okay, so for this look, we're gonna create kind of that really edgy rocker look. And you know, back in the day when there was a trend to shave this side of your head, well, we're gonna kind of create that type of look, but I promise you will not be shaving any of your hair with this one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my rat tail comb using this pointy end here. I'm gonna go ahead and section off, really like get all of that hair over to this side, creating that dramatic side part. So I have all my bobby pins, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a bunch of them in, and I'm gonna do the ombre look. So I guess I'll start with the lightest one first, sliding it into my hair. Now these bobby pins are awesome. They're super tight, and they'll leave your hair really secure. Try to space it out equally to have that kind of like geometric vibe. And last but not least, the darkest pink. I actually think that looks so cool.
So this is a metal hair tie, and
Very cool.
As you can see, I love metal, I love rose gold, so this is a total Azra accessory, and I'm gonna show you how to create a really fun, cute hairstyle with it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is just to create a little half pony, like so. We're gonna create a topsy tail, and I love these little topsy tails because they just create a little more interest in a regular half pony. So just make a little hole at the top, flip the ponytail through, and then just tighten it. And that's a topsy tail there. Wrap a piece of hair around this hair tie just so it's hidden.
So that's it guys, we tried lots of fun hair accessories today, and actually we'll link all of them in the description box below so that if you're interested in trying them yourself, you have an easy link to take you right there.
Thank you so much for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.